This is the UK Intermediate Mathematical Challenge, also known as the IMC, February 2007. The time allowed on this paper is 1 hour, and you're not allowed a calculator or measuring instruments like a ruler or a protractor. 5 marks are awarded for each correct answer from questions 1 to 15, and 6 marks are awarded for each correct answer to questions 16 to 25. There are marks removed that you lose for incorrect answers, but if you're working with me, then actually what we do is we ignore these, because I would much rather you try as many questions as possible. If you happen to get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 wrong, that's absolutely fine. I'm more interested in what the points are that you can get. And trying as many questions as possible. So question 1. At midnight on the 15th of December 2005, the moon reached its highest point in the sky, an event which occurs every 18.6 years. In which year will it occur next? So it is the 15th of December. So what I'm going to do is say, well, actually 18.6 years, I'm going to round it up to 19, because I know from December I'm going to go up rather than down. So this is about 19. And therefore the answer is D.